Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techo AV, your home for honest tech reviews and deep dive breakdowns. Today we're checking out the brand new ASUS TUF Gaming F16 FX608 JHR, a laptop that brings desktop-grade performance, a gorgeous 165Hz display, and a cooling system straight out of a jet engine. So let's see if this machine is really worth your money in 2025. TUF Gaming F16 comes with an all-new design, slimmer, lighter, and more premium than ever. At 2.2 kilograms, it's portable enough for college, work, or LAN parties, while still maintaining the rugged, tough durability we expect. Despite the slim profile, it packs a massive 90Wh battery, and thanks to 100W USB-C charging, you can top up on the go without carrying the heavy 280W brick. This laptop is powered by Intel's 14th Gen Core i7-14650HX16 cores, 24 threads, up to 5.2 GHz boost, and a huge 30 MB cache. Paired with 16 GB DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, this machine crushes through gaming, editing, 3D modeling, and multitasking like a beast. And the star of the show, the new NVIDIA RTX 5050 laptop GPU with 8GB GDDR7 VRAM, running up to 115W. So expect smooth gameplay, improved ray tracing, DLSS boosts, and excellent performance for modern AAA titles. Battery. With its 90Wh battery, the F16 easily handles long work sessions, movie watching, or study time away from the charger. You also get 50% charge in just 30 minutes, which is super helpful for travelers and students. Laptop include office, home, and student. ASUS gives you a 16-inch FHD plus 165Hz IPS display with full G-Sync, a MUX switch, and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus. You're getting 165Hz ultra-smooth gaming, 100% sRGB accuracy, slim bezels with a modern 16:10 aspect ratio. Perfect for esports players and creators alike. And if you want higher resolution, there's also a 2.5K 165Hz panel option with stunning clarity. This is where the F16 truly shines. Connectivity. The I/O selection is excellent. 3x USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 4 with DisplayPort plus G-Sync, HDMI 2.1, RJ45 LAN, 3.5mm combo jack, plus Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth 5.3 for stable wireless performance. Keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard feels fantastic. You get a one-zone RGB backlit layout, overstroke keys, full number pad, 1.7mm key travel, and durability rated for 20 million presses. The touchpad is 10% larger and has a 240Hz report rate, making navigation smoother with fewer accidental touches. ASUS includes a 1080p IR camera, so Windows Hello login is super fast. Cooling system. This is where the TUF F16 stands out. You get ASUS's 2nd Gen arc flow fans with a dual impeller design, 84 big blades and 42 mini internal blades, just like a jet turbine. The heat management is insane. Full width heat pipes. Full width heat sink. Rear exhaust vents. Up to 7 degrees Celsius cooler keyboard temps. Only 38 dB in performance mode. And with 0 dB ambient cooling, the laptop goes completely silent during light tasks. That's something even premium laptops don't give you. Audio is handled by Dolby Atmos, a high residential certified output, and two-way AI noise cancellation, so your voice stays clean even in noisy environments, great for streamers and meetings. Armory crate. You can customize everything: fan speeds, performance profiles, lighting, audio, and perhaps settings. Scenario profiles automatically switch modes when you launch your favorite games. This is your full control center. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Techo AV, and tell me in the comments which laptop should I review next. See you in the next video.